Hi friends, this is Manisha Chaudhary and I welcome you back to my channel Manisha's Craft Ideas. Christmas is around the corner and the teachers in their own schools must be working hard to decorate their schools, their rooms, their reception and a lot more. So therefore, my Christmas decoration is ready and I'm willing to share all my secrets. So get up and watch the entire video, watch it till the end and do share your feedbacks. And of course, I have a favor to ask you. So stick around and watch my video till the end to answer my really a big query. So, as you can see, it gets really difficult to share the entire steps of the making of the video because the decoration at the reception, it took me almost 2 weeks to complete it. Step by step, bit by bit, strength by strength, we have finished the entire decoration. So this nativity scene, what you see before yourself, was done in the last Christmas decoration. I'll share the link right on the top. Do check it out. This is my friend Namita ma'am. Everybody was giving in their efforts to get the work done. Even the Didis are there. Ananta ma'am is here. Everybody is working really hard. All right, say hi. Hi. All right. See, the stars that you see before yourself, they were hung onto the ceiling. So I got, as the Christmas theme, the color combinations are supposed to be red and green, red and white, red and golden. I think that's about it. So sticking to the theme here, this is my entire big colossal size Santa is ready. Now, you always ask me, how do you keep them, how do you erect them? How do you make them stand so tall? So as I've told you earlier, I have wooden stands made just for crafts like such. उसके पीछे कभी फ्लेक्स का कुछ कटआउट होता है, बट समहाउ उसको किसी तरीके से अरेंज करके थोड़ा जहाँ से अगर इधर उधर से दिख रहा है तो लीव्स एंड एक्सेस लगा दिया तो ठीक ठाक खड़े हो जाता है. तो वन टाइम इन्वेस्टमेंट है. इफ़ यू वांटेड टू यू आर ऑलवेज वरीड कि आर्ट वर्क तो बना दिया, उसको खड़े कैसे करें, तो एक आधा बार तो आपको कारपेंटर से ये काम कराना पड़ेगा. सो चेक आउट माई प्रीवियस वीडियोज़. देयर आई हैव शोन यू हाउ टू keep the such big artworks stand in this way. All right. So कई सारी चीज़ें हैं, कोटेशन है इस तरीके से जो स्टैंड्स के ऊपर हम स्टिक कर देंगे later on. Christmas is a spirit of giving and spreading happiness. So true. So keep watching. ये आप देख रहे हैं, ये छोटे छोटे स्टिकीज़, ये स्टार्स के अंदर से निकले थे. So right now we are at the reception here. Lights and everything is put up. This is the final decoration. See, there are pillars for me to cover. There is the reception desk to cover. This is the ceiling that you see before yourself. Red and golden is the theme. And the stars which were hung from the ceiling, they were looking very, very lovely. And the entire setup finally. I got a lot of appreciation for these bow craft. इसको भी ना डबल लेयर बो क्राफ्ट में बनाया गया. एक तो सिंगल बोज बनते हैं, डबल लेयर बनते हैं. तो उसका एक रेफरेंस जो मैंने गूगल से लिया था, उसका स्टेंसिल का, I'll share it in my description. Do check it out. Starting from the elves and our life-size Santa, the decoration starts. I have kept the elves on 2 different elevation. One is little, though of course they are both equal in size, but stand में एक को पीछे से ऊपर करके लगा दिया है, और just to make him look like as if the other elf is standing on a gift. तो कई सारे कार्टन्स को इकट्ठा करके उनको wrap them all in the fluorescent paper, कुछ design and pattern लगा के, to give an illusion of lot of gifts have been arranged here. So this is our happy Santa. और Santa को थोड़ा और फेस्टिविटी फील देने के लिए आई हैव दिस वेरी ग्रेनी एंड टेक्सचर्ड ग्लिटर विद मी. and we have been using it so judiciously. It is 1 kg, I think, long time back, couple of years back I got it. आज तक चल रहा है और ज़बरदस्त शाइन है उसकी. ये असल में सदर से हमने लिया था लॉन्ग टाइम बैक, बट ठीक चल रहा है. अब ट्री का लेंथ थोड़ा छोटा रह गया था, इसलिए पीछे से थोड़ा सा एक बड़ा ट्री का एक सजेशन हमारे मैम से आया, प्रिंसिपल मैम से. सो लगाने के बाद बहुत ही बढ़िया लग रहा था. द लाइट जो इसके अंदर लगी है वो ग्रीन कलर की लाइट ट्री के अंदर लगी हुई है, बाकी जगह पे सारी वाइट लाइट है. देखो देखने में थोड़ा क्लोजली इफ़ यू वॉच इट, the wires are looking little messy because I'm just showing the picture in a very close way. The camera is really close. If you look at the entire picture from a distance, they barely show up. But unless you lit up the entire area, though the feel of festivity doesn't come. There is a floodlight which is lighting the entire setup from one end, and these Christmas lights. Bells, they were used as a sticker. They were put up on the wall, they were put up in front of the doors, and this is the entire setup. I hope you all enjoyed this one. And my query that I wanted to ask you is, what should I have used to put up in the front? पहले आइडिया था कि ग्रास को बिछा दें, but the grass starts smelling. What should I have used to cover the front part, the foreground of the Christmas craft? जैसे बुरादा white हो, cotton I didn't want to use. I didn't want to use the glitter. If you have any more ideas, I would be really delighted to receive. कि किस तरीके से थोड़ा फोरग्राउंड को अगर मुझे वाइट सैंड का फील, सैंड का तो नहीं, स्नो का फील देना हो तो क्या यूज़ किया जा सकता था. सो एनलाइटन मी हियर. Really would really appreciate your comments, and thank you for watching. Love you. God bless. Merry Christmas to you all and a Happy New Year. Bye bye. Thank you.